Guys, please don't subscribe to Siddharth Kannan's YouTube channel. It's pathetic. Don't.
Would you subscribe?
स्टार स्पेशल पर जब भी मैं इस इंसान के साथ बैठता हूँ मेरे लिप्स ऐसे होने लगते हैं। मैं कभी कभार अपने आप को किस करने लगता हूँ। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, चुम्बन के देवता इमरान हाशमी ब्रदर, हाउ आर यू?
How's it going, man? No. I only kiss the ladies or get kissed by the ladies. You don't fit in that bracket.
I have just realized you're a very judgmental man.
I am extremely. When you're wearing a suit like that, I will definitely be judgmental.
But tell me, you still don't want to kiss me despite me wearing this?
I will not want to kiss you even if you wear something else.
If you ask me for a kiss during the interview, I will refuse.
I will not. Trust me, I'm done with the quota for this film. I have not got paid for your interview and I will not kiss you.
So only if you get paid, you will do kissing?
I will do that. I've sold my soul for money. Only money.
I love this. I love this.
And a fat paycheck.
अरे वाह, तुमको भी फैट पेचेक मिला है मिस्टर गौरव की नहीं?
आपको क्या लगता है?
If I was मुकेश जी, I would have said गौरव, रोल डेडली है, बेटा फ्री में कर ले, तू सुपरस्टार बन जाएगा.
नहीं, that's not the line. मुकेश जी first says, बेटा you are part of the family. इसके बाद remuneration.
नहीं, but जो उन्होंने दिया है यार काम, it's very important. पैसे लिए नहीं है, पैसे दिए हैं, and he's given me a big break. I mean, it's really important. इमरान हाशमी के साथ फिल्म दी है यार.
तो मैंने ये भी सुना कि तुम और इमरान के बीच में भी एक किसिंग सीन है. So how was that?
Actually, I know jokes. This is actually joking about this, but I've actually kissed a man on screen.
Wow.
People don't know about this. It's there. It's up there. The film released.
Which one is it?
I'm not telling you.
Come on, tell me now. Come on.
Maybe at the end of the interview I'll tell you. Yeah. But it wasn't on the lips.
Where was it? On the cheek?
Obviously, if it's not on the lips,
On the
on the
chest?
cheek. Yeah, on the
On the
cheek,
thighs?
man, on the cheek.
Cheek.
It's not that kind of
Just a
film.
guy on the cheek
But chest is even worse, I think.
You being kissed on the chest?
No, you say.
by a woman.
You know what he said? He said being kissed on the chest is worse. How do you know that?
You just said, is it on the
I was
chest
just
or the...
imagining it. Yeah, it's probably
So I
worse.
just got to
Visualize it.
and it looks really
You know, इनका जो perception है हमेशा रहा है of being the stud boy, the bad boy. So whenever they said कि इमरान के साथ तुम्हें 2 मिनट अकेले में बात करना है, were you scared? Did you call up your father? Did you call up your grandfather? Saying मुझे इमरान के साथ 2 मिनट बोला गया है before you actually got to know him?
No, why would I be scared of him?
Yeah.
I mean, ये वो टाइप के नहीं है, टूटने ही पड़ते हैं लोगों पर.
सिर्फ स्क्रीन पे.
सिर्फ स्क्रीन पर. But कभी कभार
जब
होता है.
डायरेक्टर डायरेक्शन देता है.
तभी आप टूटते हो, तभी मामा.
Because part of the film and the role, ना.
But I think your suppressed side comes out through the film. मुझे लगता है वो जो
No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
होता है यार.
It's alright.
अरे डायरेक्टर को कैसे पता होगा इनका सप्रेस साइड? मुझे भी जानना है.
Vikram has known me for a long time.
Okay, you say this.
No,
ठीक
but
है.
it's not a suppressed side. Please, I've had a lot of net practice apart from films when I was in college.
तुम 21 सीन करने वाले थे इनके साथ और उससे पहले तुम चाय पीने लगे थे. चाय give you more energy like.
No, I was just.
It was
trying to-
cold.
It's rebelling, you know. I mean, so I was just asking her if she likes tea. So.
Ooh.
How sweet.
Have you ever had tea before kissing? Do you think that helps
No,
you?
I didn't do it. I mean, it's.
That's a question I ask generally: coffee, tea, or me.
Ooh, baby. Coffee, tea or me?
So yeah, I generally have that line ready.
Ready, huh?
But I have both coffee and tea,
But have you used that or not?
of course. But is it lame? It's a lame.
नहीं मुझे नहीं लगता ये लाइन वाइन यूज करता है यार.
I don't need to, no.
I don't. All you need to do is to.
Okay, and
By
you
the way,
want to
listen
run
to me.
away
For the
with...
record, I do not do that. I do not do that. That's ridiculous. That's like a cow eating grass.
You know, but you've always told me. I always want to run away from the serial killer tag. फिर इस film में क्यों वापस?
No, that's just at one point I felt that I should be doing something different, and then there's a departure. I started doing a certain kind of cinema, and I feel that the audience also likes to see you do certain things. Those are mainstream films, and if it's 1 or 2 scenes, I'm not complaining.
You're not complaining at all. Is he a good kisser?
I beg your pardon?
Yeah. Is he a good kisser or not?
I don't kiss and tell.
The proof is up there on celluloid.
Yeah, you can
So
see
it's
whatever
there.
you see.
People are going to see it. The nation's going to see it. And like,
So let them decide for themselves, no?
I think it's thumbs up, yeah.
Thanks.
I really think माने rocking है.
But he's asking your personal take.
So I said I don't kiss and tell. That's for me to know. That's it.
But I'll tell you what, when they say I don't kiss and tell, that means they've really, really enjoyed it.
Or really, really hated it.
My God.
I'm definitely it's not the latter.
No one can hate your kiss.
Because she added 2 more after that.
Money without the director saying it.
Without the director saying it.
Excuse me.
There were requests after that.
So you kind of send him chit saying 2 और हो जाए, 3 और हो जाए.
चिट क्यों? अरे SMS का ज़माना है, WhatsApp है कि नहीं?
Not me, I'm not the director, it's Vikram.
So you kept telling Vikram और चाहिए.
According to him, apparently.
When they were kissing, what were you doing at that time? Saying, I wish I could do this.
What would you do? I mean, if they kiss you?
I would have committed suicide.
So, I tried committing suicide, हुआ नहीं क्योंकि anyway, but हमारा shoot साथ में होता नहीं था इतना. So we just have 2 scenes. So when Amy was shooting, तो मैं set पे रहता नहीं था. जब मैं shoot करता तो Amy का set he wasn't there.
So because you were jealous of him, that's why you were not on the sets.
हाँ मतलब why would I want my heroine किसी और को kiss करते अच्छा ही नहीं था, you know.
There's a lot about trust. Honestly speaking, do you trust a lot? Do you trust people very easily?
No, I don't. Yeah, it takes a lot for me to let people into the inner sanctum into my life, and I'm constantly testing that relationship. Not that I don't start trusting eventually, but it takes some time to let them in.
Are you a very close-knit person? तुम्हें लगता है कि तुम ज़्यादा लोगों के साथ घुल मिल नहीं सकते हो? ऐसा है?
No, that's not true. I just test them to a certain point, and I realize that the standard things like, I don't know, a bit of hypocrisy that floats around in our society these days, and a certain fakeness is not there in the person. I like real people, and in today's day and age, we have very few of them left.
तुम पहुंची तेलुगु कन्नड़ा इंडस्ट्री में, वहाँ पे छा गई against your comfort zone, and now you're between 3 handsome men. यार, what a journey it's been.
मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच पाऊँगी. मेरे आंखों में आंसू आ रहे हैं.
Are you a half South Indian? That kind of thing?
I'm a full South Indian.
Wow.
I'm a Punjabi South Indian girl.
इनको एक तेलुगु डायलॉग बुलाओ ना यार इमरान को.
You know, actually, trivia. In my second advertisement, I had to mouth Telugu and Tamil lines.
Say?
And it was when I was 7 years old.
I
I
remember
did an
lines from
endorsement.
school.
I know, but probably you and I do forget the lines even after I do it like a couple of days.
But in short, she just said a line saying, I remember my lines and you don't.
I don't. I'm very
I
open
remember
about it.
answers from school क्योंकि मैं हमेशा रट्टा मारती थी.
एक आंसर तो तुम्हें स्कूल से याद है, वो कौन सा है?
ಶಿವಪ್ಪನ ತಂದೆ ಔಷಧೋಪಚಾರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತುಂಬಾನ ಖರ್ಚ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ತನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ ಬಿದ್ದ ಜಮೀನನ್ನು ಮಾರಿದ. That's Kannada.
What was that?
So basically, if you don't know the language, she could have said anything right now. And I'm guessing she's abused you also somewhere. And
think she'll abuse me?
I feel the way you've said things to her, I think that's has a high chance.
Hate you guys for one more thing. यहाँ मैं अंधेरी से चर्च गेट जाता हूँ, चर्च गेट से अंधेरी जाता हूँ. तुम लोग रोमानिया जाते हो, वगैरह वगैरह जाते हो.
Trust me, I think the journey from Churchgate to wherever you go is much better.
What are you saying?
Minus 18, yaar.
अच्छा.
We're shooting minus 18, that's pretty grilling. Physically very demanding.
When you all would feel cold, would you all hug each other and sleep? How would it be in the night? What would be the scene?
We had heaters in our room.
No, होता है ना यार. When I feel cold, I tell people to hug me. You know, like that. Did you all
In
do?
the night, generally in the night.
Yeah, because I feel colder
The
than
problem is in the night, when you are attached in the night. Through the day is fine.
कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि तुमने एक्ट्रेस से तुमसे ऐसी बातें बोली है, remove your shirt, jacket, ऐसा कभी हुआ है कि नहीं?
राज में तो ऐसा नहीं हुआ है. वहाँ पे हम लोग 4 लेयर पहने रहते थे. एक उतारो, दूसरा उतारो, तीसरा उतारो, चौथा उतारो.
यहाँ पे डायरेक्टर बोलता था ना,
क्या?
शर्ट उतारो. सीन से पहले.
अच्छा सीन से पहले यार. अच्छा
से पहले.
तुम बेसिकली एक सटल चीज बोल रहे थे विक्रम भट्ट के बारे में
I
यार.
don't know, on the scene, yeah, if there is an intimate scene, and
उनके बारे में एक perception है that he's very intellectual, very serious. But I've been told he's got a very wicked sense of humor. Yeah, is that true or not?
yeah, he does. He has a good sense of
Absolutely.
humor, and he's got a light side. It's just that sometimes the kind of films that you make, that kind of bleeds in and people feel that that's your persona and personality. And Vikram is a pretty chilled out guy.
Tell me, so we were talking about this perception of this man, bad boy image, वगैरह वगैरह. What do you think of him post the shoot? Honest to God, what do you like about him? What do you don't like about him? Really?
I like that he's very disciplined. I don't like that he takes forever to open up and talk to people.
In the film, obviously, I had to open up a lot more.
He opens up a lot more. Yes. देखो, he throws all these lines. Don't look at me. Look at him.
No, as in you have to mouth the lines and there's an emotion that's involved.
So you have a physique to die for, and our man is tweeting pictures where he's bare-bodied also. You're doing that.
You've seen that?
Of course.
Nice.
Superb, superb. So have you guys hit the gym together and stuff like that?
Like I said, while I was shooting, he was probably at the hotel, or while he was shooting, I wasn't there. So at few times we did bump into each other.
तो
Yeah.
तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आती? तुम ऐसे ही माने bare-bodied pictures tweet कर रहे हो दुनिया भर लोगों को?
Have you seen my films?
Yes, I have.
Do you feel I feel shy?
No, I don't think
Is there anything else to show? There is actually a lot to show. But it's not that I've not shown my torso on screen.
Mahesh Bhatt used to carry his. camera on the set, you used to fire him वगैरह
Phone with the cam, and he used to tweet stuff from there.
अभी भी वही होता है कि अभी वो
No, he's not allowed in the set. We have banned him from going the set. This is probably the first production where we have banned the producer. He wanted to come to Romania, but we didn't give him a ticket.
And you decided that.
Yes, I did. We also decided that he won't come for the climax in Ras 3 and for the entire shooting of Ras 4.
You're a very dominating man.
Yes. And it's because he clicks stuff and he puts it up. And if it's a film like Raz and there's the suspense aspect that's associated to it, you can't really put up stuff on social media.
So here's this guy who's very bindas, blah blah blah, and there's another Emraan Hashmi who's very within himself.
Yes.
Do these two sides have a conflict battle saying, huh?
No, I think everyone has a side, a different side to them. There's an aspect of you that you show the world out there. There's one face that you show your family and your friends. And there's one face you don't show anyone. So we are always playing different parts.
Guys, please don't subscribe to Siddharth Kannan's YouTube channel. It's pathetic. Don't.
Would you subscribe?